Hello everyone and welcome to Physio Moves Physiotherapy. So in this video we are going to discuss about shoulder bursitis. How is it diagnosed and how can a physical therapist help you in shoulder bursitis? How is it diagnosed? If you see your physical therapist, first the physical therapist will conduct a thorough evaluation that includes taking your health history. Your physical therapist will also ask you detailed questions about your injury such as how and when did you notice the pain? Have you been performing any repetitive activity? Did you receive a direct hit to a shoulder or fall on it? Your physical therapist will perform special tests to help determine the likelihood that you have shoulder bursitis. Your physical therapist will gently press on the outer side of the shoulder to see if it is painful to the touch and may use additional tests to determine if other parts of your shoulder are injured. The physical therapist will observe your posture and how you lift your arm. Your physical therapist will test and screen for other more serious conditions that could cause shoulder pain. To provide a definitive diagnosis, your physical therapist may collaborate with an orthopedic physician or other healthcare provider, who may order further tests such as an X-ray to confirm the diagnosis and to rule out other damage to the shoulder, such as a fracture. How can a physical therapist help you in shoulder bursitis? Your physical therapist will work with you to design a specific treatment program that will speed your recovery, including exercises and treatments that you can do at home. Physical therapy will help you return to your normal lifestyle and activities. The time it takes to heal the condition varies, but the results can often be achieved in 2 to 8 weeks when a proper stretching and strengthening program is implemented. During the first 24 to 48 hours following your diagnosis, your physical therapist may advise you to rest the area by avoiding lifting or reaching overhead or any activity that causes pain. Apply ice pack to the area for 15 to 20 minutes every 2 hours. Consult with a physician for further services such as medication or diagnostic tests. Your physical therapist will work with you to reduce pain and swelling. If repetitive activities have caused the shoulder bursitis, your physical therapist will help you understand how to avoid or modify the activities to allow healing to begin. Your physical therapist may use different types of treatments and technologies to control and reduce your pain and swelling, including ice, heat, ultrasound, electrical stimulation, tapping, specific exercises, and hands on therapy, such as specialized massage. Improve motion. Your physical therapist will choose specific activities and treatments to help restore normal movement in the shoulder and arm. These might begin with passive motion that the physical therapist perform for you. Gently move your shoulder joint and progress to active exercises and stretches that you can do yourself. Improve flexibility. Your physical therapist will determine if any shoulder, arm, chest, or neck muscles are tight. Start helping you to stretch them and teaching you how to stretch them. Improve posture. If posture problems are found to be related to your condition, your physical therapist will work with you to help improve your posture to help alleviate your pain and prevent fracture. Improve strength. Shoulder bursitis is often related to weak, injured, or uncoordinated shoulder muscle. Certain exercises Certain exercises will aid healing at stage of recovery. Your physical therapist will choose and teach you the correct exercises and equipment to use to steadily restore your strength and agility. These may include using cuff weights, stretch bands, and weightlifting equipments. Improve endurance. Regarding your muscular endurance in the shoulder is important after an injury. Your physical therapist will teach you exercises to improve your muscular endurance so you can return to your normal activities. Cardio exercise equipment may be used such as upper body ergometers, treadmills or stationary bicycles. Learn a home program. Your physical therapist will teach you strengthening and stretching exercises to perform at home. These exercises will be specific for your needs if you do them as prescribed by your physical therapist. Return to activities. Your physical therapist will discuss your activity goal with you and use them to set your work, sport, and home life recovery goals. Your treatment program will help you reach your goal in the safest, fastest, and most effective way possible. Your physical therapist will teach you exercises, work retraining activities, and sports specific techniques. Speed recovery time. Your physical therapist is trained and experienced in choosing the best treatments and exercises to help you safely heal, return to your normal lifestyle, and reach your goal faster than you likely to do on your own. If surgery is necessary. Surgery is not commonly required for shoulder bursitis, but if surgery is needed, you will follow a recovery program over several weeks, guided by your physical therapist. Your physical therapist will help you minimize pain, regain motion and strength, and return to normal activities in the safest and speediest manner possible. Thank you for watching this video.